Hey guys, welcome back to another fun-filled, exciting episode of Cross Creek Classics. We're back at our outside Cross Creek Studios, and we are back at our Mark III build. Here comes Blake with a smile on his face. So today's project is going to be to put the headliner in the car. As you can see, this headliner has holes in it. And that's because this is the original headliner. Blake was able to save this without a tear. So we wanted to preserve this, try to use as much of the interior as we could. And we're hoping that saving it and having all the holes will make it easier to install. The holes will help us locate where it needs to go. But not really sure. I've never used an old headliner before. So this is going to be a first. So we got our insulation reinstalled on the top. This is just an insulation they used. It was in excellent shape. We re-glued it, cleaned it up. Blake disinfected it with some vinegar. And it smells like a salad in here. But we're going to get this on and see how it goes here. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we got the headliner in. Went fairly easy. I think it definitely would have been easier to have a fresh new headliner. Something that wants to stretch a little bit better. This thing's pretty dry, but still had some elasticity to it. Didn't come out too bad. Got a couple little bubbles in it here, but once the seat belt goes on, you can see it's going to pull that right out. Yeah, went pretty nice. You know, it's a 50-year-old piece of vinyl. I guess in retrospect, should have just bought a new one and been done with it. But you know, try to make it as original as we can inside. You know, most of the interior is going to be original. The only thing they reproduce is the headliner, the armrest bases, and the carpet. And you know, the reproduction carpet is not good. So this will be 100% original as it left Wixom interior. So we got a few more things to put on here. We got to get all the trim cleaned up, the sail panel pieces, and some other stuff. So there's another couple hours of at least a couple hours of trim installation. The big overhead console here with the warning lights got to go on, the visors and stuff. So good bit of stuff got to go on yet. So we're gonna call that done for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll do another follow-up of this once it's all in and done, and you can see how it looks complete. So we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you.